Oh, Papa Murphy's Pizza. Finally, we got it baked. And ang nag-bake ay tada! Gutom na kami. Akala namin luto na ito. Yun pala, 1 oras mo pang kuhan.
Inalam ko resibo.
Yeah. 12 to 18 minutes na ibibake mo pa. Nakakainis ka, Austin, ha? Austin palang pangalan nun. Ay, hindi ko alam na ganyan pala sa Papa Murphy's. Kala ko luto na ibibigay. Hindi naman pala. Excited pa naman akong itry itong garlic cheesy nila. Kasi matagal na hindi tayo nagpizza, di ba?
Can I ask
Hoy.
Papa Murphy to cook my pizza?
Ay, manang.
Yes,
Enjoy ka dyan.
Yes, you can ask Papa Murphy to cook your pizza in store.
Oh, Papa Murphy's Pizza. Finally, we got it baked. And ang nag-bake ay tada! Ready na siyang mamasyal. Yung pala, hindi kami matutuloy kila tita ngayon. Because we're gonna go.
I don't care. I know.
Huwag ka na magsalita. Okay, where is your slicer?
Let's check the bottom. Let's
Hindi,
see.
slice mo muna. Oh.
Oh!
Let me see. Oh, perfecto. Patingin nga ng mabuti yan. Yung mga sapatos nakita na doon.
Where's the pizza cutter?
Ay, aray ko. Ewan ko.
I told you
Pwede
so.
mo namang pizza cutter na ito. Oh. Kasi gutom na ako. Gusto ka ng matikman.
I cut the...
Inalis ba naman niya yung ano?
Yeah, half and half.
Yung ganito oh. Inalis niya.
That accident. Let me put
Sana nilagay mo dito oh.
way too oily.
Oil ba yun?
Yeah, that dropped some oil on accident.
Huh? Nilagyan nyo ng oil?
No, the side it got a little oil.
Why?
Because we're trying to take it off because I thawed it for too long. Don't hurt this side. You make that so perfect and this one's so bad.
Okay, pwede na.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, there you go. Bakit pa alisin ito? Hindi naman nag-ilaw. Ay, sabi ko.
Look at how big this crust is.
Yum. Oh, diba?
You
Pwede
wanna
na.
put it on this or is that okay?
Oh, yeah, you can put it right there. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mama.
Kumuha kasi ng hawakan. Ng mittens. Okay. Moving it up. Up.
There we go.
Ah, yummy. Yummy, Tita Ami. Sorry, kainin na namin ang aming Papa Murphy's Pizza. And sorry, Papa Murphy's Pizza. We're just so hungry at that day and we don't know that you just have to prepare it for us and we have to bake it on our own. Sorry that we didn't know for so long but we ate Papa Murphy's Pizza before. We just didn't know that it's not baked from you guys. Okay, that's enough. I'm hungry. Iprito ka.
There we go.
Okay, time to eat.
Let's see.
Okay, mainit.
Why is the pizza cutter gone? Careful, Mama.
Look at that. Ay, kinutsilyo na kasi hindi makita yung pizza slicer.
Yeah, we don't have one anymore.
No, we do.
Where?
Ewan ko, as dad eh. Siya yung laging alis ng tapon ng mga gamit. Ako bili ng bili. Kawawa. Ang taga-bili. May taga-tapon.